Technology has revolutionized the way we live, work, and learn in the digital age. Classrooms are embracing technology as a tool to enhance teaching and learning experiences. However, with these opportunities come challenges that educators must navigate. In this lesson, we will explore the possibilities and hurdles that technology brings to the digital classroom. Let's go into the lesson. The benefits of technology in education. Technology in the classroom offers a wide range of benefits. It opens the door to a world of information and resources, providing students with unlimited access to knowledge with the internet at their fingertips. Students can explore various perspectives, conduct research, and expand their horizons beyond the confines of traditional textbooks. Furthermore, technology promotes active and engaging learning experiences. Interactive apps, virtual reality, and educational games make lessons come alive, capturing students' attention and fostering their creativity. This dynamic approach to learning helps students retain information better and develop critical thinking skills. Another significant advantage of technology in education is personalized learning. With the help of adaptive learning platforms, teachers can tailor instruction to meet individual students' needs. This allows for differentiated instruction and ensures that all students receive the support and challenge they require to thrive academically. Overcoming challenges in the digital classroom. While technology brings immense opportunities, it also presents challenges that educators must address. One concern is the potential for distractions. With smartphones and laptops in the hands of students, the temptation to stray from educational content can be strong. Teachers need to establish clear guidelines and provide guidance on responsible technology usage to keep students focused and minimize distractions. Another challenge is the digital divide. Not all students have access to the same technology resources outside the classroom. This inequality may create disparities in learning experiences and outcomes. To bridge this gap, schools and districts must ensure that all students have equal access to devices and reliable internet connections. Additionally, there is a learning curve associated with integrating technology into the classroom. Educators need time, training, and support to become proficient in using technology effectively. Professional development programs and ongoing guidance can equip teachers with the necessary skills to navigate the digital landscape confidently. Enhancing collaboration and communication. Technology facilitates collaboration and communication among students, teachers, and parents. Online platforms and tools enable seamless sharing of information, assignments, and feedback. Students can collaborate on projects, work together on documents in real time, and provide peer feedback, promoting teamwork and enhancing critical communication skills. Furthermore, technology fosters parental involvement and engagement. Digital platforms enable parents to stay connected with their child's education, track progress, and communicate with teachers. This increased transparency strengthens the home-school partnership, ensuring that parents are actively involved in their child's learning journey. Data-driven decision-making. Technology allows educators to collect and analyze data, providing valuable insights into student performance and progress. By leveraging data analytics tools, teachers can identify areas where students are struggling and adapt their instruction accordingly. This data-driven approach to teaching enables targeted interventions and personalized support, leading to improved student outcomes. The integration of technology in the digital classroom offers endless possibilities for enhanced learning experiences. Students can access a wealth of information, engage in active learning, and receive personalized instruction. However, educators must also address challenges such as distractions, inequality in technology access, and the learning curve associated with technology integration. By proactively embracing these opportunities and overcoming hurdles, educators can harness the power of technology to create a more engaging, inclusive, and effective learning environment for all students.